So summer is well underway. In the UK here, we're having temperatures up in the high 80s or around 30 degrees Celsius if you're from the rest of the world. So we're well into salad season, and this would be a perfect accompaniment to a nice hot day.
Why is it so hot in here?
We're using lettuce leaves to wrap a curried potato and spring onion salad, which is topped with hard-boiled eggs. Simple dish. Yeah, it's an egg salad recipe, but wait until the end result and let me know what you think. Anyway, let's get cooking. There's nothing crazy on the shopping list. Maybe the curry powder, but just pick a curry powder that isn't too spicy. It's not going to blow anyone's face off. Add a splash of white wine and a pinch of salt to a pan of cold water and bring it to the boil. Lower your eggs in gently using a spoon. If you make sure that the spoon is submerged just before you drop the egg in, the egg shouldn't crack, unlike the third egg I drop in. But the vinegar helps to coagulate the egg so you don't lose too much of the egg. Boil your eggs a few minutes under hard boiled and then cool them down in some cold water. While you wait for your eggs to boil, peel and dice your potatoes. Dice your potatoes so they're about 2.5 centimeters or about 1 inch in size. And if possible, keep them all roughly the same size, just like this. Wash the diced potatoes and add to a cold pan of water, add a pinch of salt and then cook for 15 minutes on high. Lay down some paper towel to crack your eggs. At the top, then the bottom, turn it on its side and give it a little gentle roll. This should allow the shell to pop off quite easily. The shell doesn't come away first time, drop it in a little pan of water and the shell should come away very easily. Dry the hard-boiled egg off on the paper towel. Then repeat this for the rest of the eggs. Remove any brown bits from the green onion, remove the top and continue to slice. Do this for both spring onions. Cut all the way down to the root on the green onion. We're not wasting any onions here. Visually inspect your head of lettuce and remove any brown bits. Then lay on a chopping board and cut off the root. We're going to unroll the lettuce to try and keep the leaves fairly whole. This is a little bit of a small lettuce, but we can work with it, although some of the leaves are quite small. Separate around 9 decent sized leaves and put in a bowl of cold water to wash and firm up. Large bowl, add the mayonnaise, curry powder, salt and pepper, and to give it a good mix. To this bowl, add the cool drained potatoes. Gently fold them in to the mayonnaise. Careful not to crush the potatoes. Add the green onions and continue to fold in gently. Dry the larger lettuce leaves on a piece of paper towel and then arrange them on the plate ready for serving. Using the shredded lettuce, we're going to line each of the wraps with the lettuce. Do this for all 3. Next, gently spoon the potato salad inside the wrap, sitting on top of the shredded lettuce. Again, do this for all 3 lettuce leaves. Using an egg slicer, slice your eggs. If you don't have an egg slicer yet, check the description, I'll put a link to the exact one I'm using in this video. Once you've sliced your eggs, arrange them gently on top of the potato salad. Finish with flaked sea salt and black pepper. And if you're feeling extra fancy, a sprig of parsley. Each one of these wraps is 96 calories. Fantastic if you're volume eating just like me. For the record, I made an absolute mess eating this. So as much as I like spice, it's actually quite nice to have something that's quite mild or has a nice gentle curried flavour rather than blowing your face off. Now, I think the mildness of the potato salad actually adds a little bit more depth to the egg when you taste this. And personally, I'm planning to have these wraps with a chicken tikka recipe that I've got, which is probably going to be a video at some point. If you'd like to see that video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so as soon as I post that video, you'll be the first one to see it. And if you haven't yet, check out this video just here.